Hey man, I'm sorry to bother you. Is there any way you could buy me some bread while you're in there?
Sorry, man. I'm not getting it.
Appreciate you. Sorry about that.
What's up, everybody? Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm gonna be asking people if they can get me a loaf of bread. The first person to say yes is gonna get $100. Let's get to it.
I wasn't sure what kind of bread you might have wanted, so I got this one.
Oh my god, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I hope it's like the right one.
No, yeah, anything was perfect. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Of course, you're all good.
So I actually want to let you know, so we're filming a show with Dherbs right now, and what we do is we like to see, you know, people do kind gestures for us. And so today I was staying out here asking people if they'd be able to buy me some bread, and
Oh, thank you.
I guess someone's doing a kind gesture for you as well. And so when we reward people's kindness, we give them $100.
Wait. Okay, all right. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, of course. And real quick, that's why I asked, so why did you decide, like, when you went to the store to get me the bread and not just leave me hanging out here?
I felt like bad. I was like, if I was outside and I needed bread, I'd hope someone would come through for me. And immediately when I walked in, I felt bad. So, I mean, I hope it's still good either way.
Oh my God, no, I super appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you.
Man.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much, Dherbs.